Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm gonna talk about how you can import your images in Blender. Okay. So first of all, we will get the data. Okay. We will save that any of required prices in PNG format, and that PNG format I will import in my Blender. Okay. So first of all, we'll go with our generation of token. Okay, so I've been already get ready with my token, and other things I'm gonna just copy and paste and we'll do it for you. Okay, so you can straight away visit to my www.profitdataweb.com. Okay, and if you just utilize this search bar, and if you just say fire CPI profit data, otherwise say fires API. I mean, if you Google it out as fire CPI profit data, you will get each and everything. And if you are in directly in a website, just say fire CPI. So you will get a post where exactly you can see as a fire CPI utilize free of cost to automate trades in Python. Okay, so there you can visit. Okay, and very recently I've been done some related to some of our fires OHSCV data. Okay, so you can get this data. So I am doing for FinNifty, so you can utilize for your own method and each and everything. So if I just paste this stuff, I'm good with my data. Okay, and you can do certain changes have been already done explanation. So we say date open high low close and value. Okay, so you can do changes as per your requirement. And say suppose if I am talking about this thing for chart or say line chart, these things are required. Okay, so we are ready with it. And one things which I'm gonna talk about is like getting this stuff is, I wherever I stored my app ID or say secret ID, I need to call the stuff. So I saved in this folder, so you have to do this stuff. So after just copy, just direct your stuff. If it is in some folder, just call that API ID and access token and you are good to go. Okay, so I'm ready with my data. I have no doubt regarding this data, and I'm gonna straight away go with getting this plot. So what I will say, import matplotlib dot py plot as plt. Okay, and one of the favorite style which I'm gonna utilize, you can use the ggplot, or just say simple. If you just don't say this, you will definitely get a line chart. Okay, but I'm gonna utilizing a thick chart which I say, which is 538, and it is one of my favorite chart, line chart. Okay, and next what I'm gonna say is like while getting this data. Okay, first of all I talk about plot. So which thing I need to plot. Okay, so exactly I need a close price, so I will say plt dot plot of my data, which will be my history of close price. So I'm gonna say this stuff. And then when I'm talking about while plotting, should not crop out any other stuff. So for that reason I need to say as a plt dot tight underscore layout. Okay, so you should not crop the stuff, so it is required. Okay, so you need to follow this stuff. So you need to plot and they say tight layout, and then what you can refine your figure as per your requirement. Okay, so I'm gonna doing some simple method, you can follow your own choice. Next what I'm gonna say is like I need to save first. Okay, so I will say I need in PNG, so I will say price.png, so it is good to me. So here I'm done, and the next what I'm gonna say is like plt.show as well. Okay, so I get to know what exactly I got the price. Okay, so go for it. If I not missed anything, so as you can see, I got each and everything. Okay, I got my chart. Okay, there is no doubt in it, and it looks exceptionally best. Okay, so this is how you can do. So I already like going with the what I say is with my fin nifty index. Okay, so one more way I think you can go. I think I can show this stuff to you. Okay, so this it will be in this manner. Okay, and next what I am say, suppose if I am looking for a bank nifty index, so my coding part whichever I do and share with you exactly contains uh, with variable, so you can shift to any other stuff as well. So for nifty bank this will be the syntax, so just say nifty bank index and you will get the plot of nifty bank. Okay, so let's go for these things. So if I'm not wrong, I will get a plot and the plot will be in this manner. Okay, so which I can see in my price as well. Okay, so all these things you can check and you can analyze your graph. So right now what we are doing, we are importing this stuff. Okay, so I think we are up to here, we are good to go each and everything in just simple manner. Okay, so for analysis I just got the plot, or otherwise I say if I just give a formula and got a moving average, so that is also I can utilize. But in this case what happens, I just imported that stuff. You can still can do a 3D or say candlestick chart, anything with the matplotlib. Okay, so try to explore. Now just to it we go with the blender. Okay, in blender what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna most of the things I'm gonna do with the copy paste itself. Okay, nothing extra, but this copy paste will help me in future for especially in automating the stuff. Okay, whichever I'm looking for. So straight away I go with the general. Okay, in this I straight away show to scripting. Okay, so in this case whatever I do, it will definitely gonna show to me. Okay, so all the things I need. Okay, I will copy and I will run the stuff. Okay, I will do it easy as much as possible for the blender. Okay, so I think if any person is learning as a new in this blender, I think it will be very much helpful. So get in blender, just say general and get with the scripting and do whatever you like. Okay, the next thing we have to look for is preferences. Okay, it should be come as import image as planes. Okay, so it should be like it should be here. In this case if you just go with save files, and it should be in your preferences. Okay, so if I go with preferences and if I check the add-ons, here it should be checked out. Okay, import import images plan, so like that it should be checked out. Okay, so all of the things, if it is not available, please check and then go for this stuff. Okay, so you can download the blender from Google and utilize as per yourself. Okay, I'm gonna do it manual, so I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. So if I say Control X, I can delete whichever image available earlier. Okay, and I'll get this code. Okay, a single command line code. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is like I just click on the new and I will paste it each and everything. Okay, here itself, and then I'm gonna call it will call each and everything in just a single click. Okay, so all you have to do now, what I have to say is like I need to get my image which price.png. Okay, so I will do it for you. Okay, you can also try. So I will say import images plane and I will get exactly where it is saved. Okay, so png is available. Okay, so I'm gonna import this stuff. Okay, so we'll click on this one, it will get selected and I will say as import images as plane. So as you can see, each and everything is available now. Okay, and with that thing I got a code also. Okay, so I think you can copy each and everything and then you just clean that stuff. Okay, clean or sort or whichever way you want. Okay, so if I say I get this stuff and I try to delete some unwanted because I believe this is not required, this is definitely not a code. Okay, and when I'm calling certain stuff, okay, when I'm adding this location, I think it is all required. Okay, so I think I am good to go. So I think one more which is like, this need to avoid, that is reset folders or something. Okay, only required stuff should be copied. Okay, so you can take this stuff as per your requirement. Now I'm gonna show certain stuff to you, exactly like, the view purpose, exactly it will be very much different. Okay, when we exactly view this in a simple manner, it is different, and when we view this in our data which we are looking for, it will be entirely different. Okay, so if our ask for object will be like that, and we can scale up this stuff, okay, a little bit, so we can view this stuff. If you try to see this as a first time, you see that the data is not imported, but when you get into shading part, you can see this data. Okay, so as you can see, the data is available. Okay, and I think I can rotate the stuff as per my requirement. Just set this stuff and can do the shading part or whichever I am looking for as per my requirement. Okay, if I want to scale up, I can scale up. Okay, if I want to do any kind of a stuff for this, I can. Okay, so this is how you can do with your graph. Okay, you can analyze as per your required choices. Okay, you can edit as per your required choices. Okay, and say suppose if you get with the edit mode, okay, there are a number of things which you can set and can talk about. Okay, so try to see this stuff, and this is one of the best practice which I believe, okay, which you can utilize for your purpose. I mean, if you practice in this stuff, if you get it with your chart, okay, a real-time chart, it will be more easy to get in this stuff. Okay, especially I believe this draw chart, okay, this retracement tool, okay, it comes with this. So preferred whichever the settings they are giving in that. Okay, I think if you get with in this part as well, you can enhance your practice. Okay, and you can utilize for other stuff as well for creating flowcharts, or say you can prepare your trade actions, okay, with the help of a flowchart, and you can further you can shift then and there. Okay, so I think it will be best if you go with the blender, okay, for analysis, visualization, getting in 3D view. Okay, or if you want to animate, okay, certain things for own your analysis purpose, player replay, so all of the things I think potential is there which you can explore. Okay, so I have been explored this stuff, so that is also you can do. Okay, so you just try this stuff. Now what I'm gonna do is I think I've been already shown certain stuff in this part. Okay, and I'm gonna straight away delete each and everything. So I have to call bpy. Bpy means blender python, blender py. Okay, so like that. So if I just import bpy, it will give it each and everything what I am doing generally as a manual. Okay, which is I think if you are doing at a certain click, I think this should work. Okay, so if I did this stuff, okay, it is not, because I am not selected any part, so that is the reason also it is there. So first of all, I'll get with the layout. Object mode, because I think I'm deleting from the object mode itself, so I need to get in this stuff. Okay, and I will run once again. Okay, so you need to check that everything is good. Okay, so as you can see, I think I've been deleted the other stuff. Okay, and I think I took it whichever I have, and I've been added this stuff. Okay, so whichever you want, I think you can try with your stuff. Okay, So things which is available I am going to show you right away. Okay, so I think if you just enlarge, you will get to see. I think this is not what I'm looking, so exactly I should delete this stuff and only required part should be here. Okay, so I just enlarge and show it to you. If I'm doing from my Python, how it will be there. Okay, so I think it will be like in this way. Okay, and if I just adjust with this stuff, okay, it is best. Okay, so see to that what can be done. Okay, and explore as much as possible. So we got our things which we are looking for earlier, what we did. Okay, and I think I've been done this stuff. So if you are facing issue, you have to do it a little bit this, and you have to really be on that object mode. Okay, so I was in edit mode, I need to get in object mode, and if I just click on scripting, it will get to me, and certain things which is not required, I just click on these things and can delete. Okay, so these are the things you need to synchronize with certain stuff, and then exactly if you follow proper Python running this stuff, it will be easy to do which you are looking for. Okay, so you can try this stuff. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have other queries or requirements, please do contact me that by WhatsApp. Thank you.